right, hey y'all, welcome to my channel. So today I've got a new wig from Tinashe Hair. It is a curly season for me. I got curly fever, y'all. So if you are interested in this wig, just keep on watching. All right, y'all, so the wig that I have is 24 inches long and 180% density from Tinashe Hair. And first thing I just want to point out, love the packaging on here. Love that they use this like little foam to package up their wigs. It's just the little things sometimes with companies that just kind of make you feel like they are really taking pride in what they produce. And I think Tinashe Hair is definitely one of those companies. And the inside, of course, is your standard combs and adjustable strap, but they also went on ahead and sewed right here their elastic band, which I love. I'm so happy that they did this and happy that well, not even a lot. I wish more companies would just start putting the elastic band on wigs so that nobody else would have to do it, because it's just an additional step that no one wants to do. So yeah, here is the wig, the hairline of the wig, and I will admit it does need some plucking. I did not pluck it. I was actually in a rush this day, like my life is always in a rush. So I did not pluck this wig, but I wanted to show you guys how it would look with no plucking and without doing anything to the hairline, trying to just see how natural it could possibly be. So the lace on this is like this brown. I did put a little bit of my color foundation on it, and I'm spraying the Got to Be right on top of the wig. I've been doing my wigs like this for a hot second now. Okay, not a hot second, for like a month, y'all. And I like the way it's turning out, but I did apply my makeup before. And if you've been following me, you guys know I always like to apply my wig first and then do my makeup. But like I said, I was in a rush, so I just went on ahead and did my makeup, and now I'm just laying my wig with the free spray. And then I'm gonna go in with the back end of the comb and just kind of spot any kind of like little pieces of lace that are just lifting up, with the back end, just kind of dipping that into some free spray, which you'll see me do like right here, what I'm showing you. I also love doing this method. It does take a little bit longer, but it's less messier because you're not using so much product at one time. So yeah, you guys, so here is the wig, the hair, without me doing too much to it. I want you guys to see how it is, like how it comes right out of the package. I think these waves, these curls, whatever you want to call them, are absolutely beautiful. And I don't know if it's just because I ain't messed with like curly hair in a minute or wavy hair, but I was loving this texture, this density, this like everything. So I have been also loving super deep parts, so that's what I'm gonna do today. And I'm just gonna pull out some baby hair, you guys. I didn't even clean up around my edges. That's how much time I didn't really have. So you guys are really seeing this like in a rush, like how good it came out. But to me, that's kind of one of the advantages of doing using curly hair, is because you can do like a little bit more. You can do more baby hair. You can do bigger swoops like on your edges. You can kind of get away with a little bit more of the like dramatics or whatever you want to call them versus just like doing straight hair. In my opinion, that's just me. So yeah, just gonna lay these edges really quickly. But I would like to know if you prefer, like when you see people do voiceovers, like a voiceover from me, like I'm doing right now, or if you prefer like a talk through, I think, or if you want me to just start mixing it up. Because I'm not really sure, to be honest with you guys. I feel like I can get more in and give you guys more information with an actual like voiceover. But then sometimes I'm just kind of like, well, maybe they prefer a talk through. I don't really know. I'm just curious, so let me know in the comments. And just a quick tip when you are doing your baby hair, it took me kind of a little second to realize, but I realized that working with the comb is so much better versus working with the actual brush. The brush can sometimes lift up the like the lace, The comb can as well, but I think the comb side is just a little less harsh than the brush. So just a quick tip, if anybody else like has experienced that or like finds that to be true, just let me know in the comments. So yeah, I'm just gonna finish up these baby hairs and I will be back. So after blow drying my edges just to kind of set them a little bit faster, I'm gonna just style this hair very simple. I'm going to just use my spray bottle that has water in it. The comb will be down at the bottom, but this pink detangling comb, which the hair glides straight through with no problems at all. And then I'm going to use my Cream of Nature styling mousse, styling foam, whatever you want to call it, but not too much of that. Usually I go like really in with using it, but not this time because the hair is super soft and I just don't want to risk like making it hard and crunchy because it's just not necessary for this hair. So I think I've worn Tinashe Hair like 3 times now, and each time I've worked with them, the experience has been awesome, y'all. But let me tell you, their hair is beautiful. I feel like these 3 wigs I've gotten, the hair is like, it stands out to me. I don't know what it is. I don't know what kind of, magic they put on it, but it is just always like very like nice. And of course the wig is 180% density, so you have to keep that in mind, but I'm not even talking about the density at this point. So love the hair. And as far as the actual wig goes, like the lace was okay, the lace color was okay, the hairline was not bad at all, just needed a tiny bit of work, so I can deal with those. But I think the hair from Tinashe Hair that's what you're paying for, you know what I mean? That's really what you're paying for. The rest you can kind of customize yourself, but if you have crappy hair, then it's just like it's just a sad day for you. And I just don't feel like they will produce any kind of like just their hair is just really good, you guys. Now keep in mind, I don't wear them all the time because I am rotating wigs all the time and I do tons of wig reviews, so I couldn't, like, I'm be honest, I couldn't really tell you how long it's gonna hold up, but initially I just feel like it's gonna hold up for quite a while if you really take care of it. So great job, Tinashe Hair. Loving this, loving the density of it. Don't forget, I'll put all of the specs for this wig down below in the description box, along with the link to my Amazon store. So any products that you see me using will be in my Amazon store as well. And yeah, just gonna add a little bit of powder on top of that foundation, and that's pretty much it for this look, you guys. So if you have any questions, concerns, anything like that, please put them down below. You guys know I will answer you. I will do my best to answer you. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will talk to y'all in my next video. Bye.